Dibambe ngazo zozibini lunganibulise kuwe mbukeli we-SABC lihaye. Yimini enkulu namhlanje abemi boMzantsi Afrika bayilangazelelayo njengoba umongameli esenza intetho yakhe ngobume belizwe ngale njikalanga. Ukanti kuthe ndina kumakhasi onxibelelwano incoko inye mbukeli yisona sobusikrobisa ke nakwezo zenzekayo kumakhasi ezonxibelelwano. Igama lam nguKamvelihle Kalani. Nanjengoko ilizwe lilinde ngamehla bomvu intetho kamongameli ngobume belizwe abe engaqali ngoba intetho ayenza minyaka le. Ukanti ngoku sakujonga kwizithembiso azenze kunyaka ophelileyo sinayo uSibusiso Biyele nosebenza njengomdidiyeli we-multimedia apha e-SABC. Ukanti ukhona naye uBusi Rhadebe naye osebenza njengomqulunqi wendaba pha kwi-digital. Sabe sincokola nabo ke mbukeli ngalona umzuzu. Ndiqale ngawe ke Busi, ndikubulise futhi sikwamkele ku-SABC lihaye. Makhe sincokole nje kabanzi ukuba sikhe sabona into yoba abahlala eKhayelitsha eKapa abayazi ukuba kwenzeka ntoni Busi. Bathe xa bebuzwa zintatheli bathi bayabona kusenzeka intshukumo, bona amapolisa bayazi ukuba kwenzeka ntoni kanye kanye. Ingaba abantu ku social media, are they aware of what is happening? But most importantly, as much as they are aware, are they interested kwinto ezabithethwa ngumongameli ngale njikalanga?
Ngiyabonga Kamva. Yebo ku social media abantu bayazi ukuthi kuzoyenzakala namhlanje. Ubone from Monday be trend ayisona 2026 State of the Nation address nesona. Kodwa manje abantu balindele ukuthi umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa akhulume ngokuthi uzoyenzani ngalezi thembiso aziyenzile emuva nokuthi they tired of empty promises, sure. But bafuna timelines of when things or when action, when they can see action for lezi zinto azithembisile.
Ndiyakuthanda Busi xa uthetha nge-action, xa usithi abantu bafuna i-action bane timelines because uSibu uzabe engena kabanzi nayo kuba kanye kanye kwezi zithembiso kuhamba kube kanti kuphelwa down. Kodwa ke Busi ndiyafuna uyazi into yoba mhlawumbi amanani in terms of into ezine-hashtags mhlawumbi sime kandown okanye sime ndawoni nango kwamanani, especially with engagements on social media, and mhlawumbi abantu bancokola kakhulu kweziphi i-platforms.
Bakhuluma kakhulu ku-X, yilapho uzobona ama-hashtags wesona atrenda kakhulu khona. Ngoba mawubheka ku-Facebook kahle kahle suke bekhomenta under a post. Umuntu mefake i-post ilapho ke uzobona engagement bekhuluma ngayo isona, but umuntu ozosibhalela yena self it's X, lapho umuntu uzobhala something umunye yaphendula. Mhlawumbe nayo government mayibhala ithi sesiyenze lokhu nalokhu ngoba yibo ababhala kakhulu ku-X ukuthi this is what we have done so far all these years for citizens. Ilapho abantu baphendula ukuthi cha kusane crime, kune water crisis, ibhedlela azikho right, potholes on the streets. So bakhuluma ngalokho.
Mhlawumbe Busi, in terms of demographics, in terms of gender, in terms of age, in terms of mhlawumbe race, mhlawumbe zizinto esikwazi uzibona ezo, especially with the engagements, because I think abona abantu sesibabone ngakumbi wena Busi bekhalazi bangabantu abamnyama, abantu abona ba vocal ngamandla bangabantu abangotata. Mhlawumbe ngaba ku social media, is that what we are seeing at the moment?
It's very similar to that, yes. Especially in youth. It's the youth, especially in terms of unemployment. Yibo bathi asifuni ukuzwa ukuthi uzothini President Cyril Ramaphosa, sicela imisebenzi. Now man ndikhe ukuzise encokweni Sibu. Wena ke I think ulapha namhlanje ukhe usinike ngokwezithembiso ezenziwa ngumongameli. Ngoba ke umongameli uthetha minyaka le. Kodwa ndiyafuna bakhe sikhangele into ba ngeziphi izithembiso athe wazenza kunyaka ka2025. Mhlawumbe ukusukela ngo25 uzothi gangoku sime ndawoni. Khawukusincede nje ngalo information Sibu.
Yeah, ngiyabonga. So every year uPresident uRamaphosa uzokhuluma enza ama promises nsuku zonke every year, kodwa into ethe asiyenze as SABC ukuthi asibuke a few of those promises awenzile ngo2025 siwaqhathanise nezinto ezenzekile ngo2020 since 2025 kuze kufika 2026 manje. Masoqala nge-water security issue enkulu nana esibona na ku social media abantu bekhuluma ngayo. So uPresident wa promise last year ukuthi uzofaka izinto kune project ebizwa nge-Lesotho Highlands project ezosinika amanzi especially eGauteng. Kodwa i-result ithi leyo projects leyo it has been delayed by more than 10 years and bekumele ikhoste 8 billion rands ngo-2008 manje isikhosta 50 billion and nokuthi futhi enye research eqhamuka from i-GCRO ithi even if sesiyitholele leyo project leyo ibingekho delayed still sezoba nayinkinga zamanzi. So second thing is i-digital ID. Upresident wakhuluma nge-digital ID last year ngoba uhulumeni unemali eningi kodwa how do you get those services to abantu abayidingayo those services. So into enzakalile ukuthi upresident promised ukuthi kuzoba khona i-digital ID to make it easier for residents to get the services that they need. Kodwa into enzakalile ukuthi basanda qala ngoJuly last year. It's still in parliament, so the process is in the beginning of starting. Uma ngasho kanjalo, so akakayenzeki ukuthi lama services sikwazi ukuwathola ngokulandela. So but i-success singayicho yokuqala promise that was fulfilled. President wa promise make available 940 billion rands to for the government to fund infrastructure for the next 3 years. And then Finance Minister Godongwane last year with budget yango May promised over a trillion rands, so 60 billion rands more for the next 3 years. So all the problems that just wabonayo that will be solved hopefully ngaleyo ndlela leyo. And then the last thing is it promised 100 billion rands enzo president ukuthi suthole 100 billion rands also investwa to infrastructure. I come from uhulumeni, come from outside investors. Nice. And President over-delivered and got 230 billion rands from the EU, which was announced in October last year. So those are just a summary of some of the successes and other things esitholile from especially last year.
Sbu, uthetha ngezinto ezincomisayo, ngento ezimandi ndoba umsebenzi ngathi uyenzeka. Because nam ndiyabona phambi kwam ukuba ikhona into ethi about kwi-first quarter nje ka-2025 to 2026 about 9,174 young people had been enrolled, reaching 110% of the enrollment target. Those are good things.
Yeah.
And I think about 7,249 young people had been placed into jobs, reaching 94% of the target. These are things esingaziboniyo. People do not talk about these things.
Yeah.
How easy was it for you as iqhiza lase-SABC to get such beautiful information and mhlawumbe ifihlakale phi because ezinto abantu baya ubuso uyathi bakwi-social media people are not having it bafuna results but ingani zikhona results mhlawumbe zifihlakale kanjani sibu.
Into singaqala ukisho ngayo le youth and employment and these beautiful numbers la wakhuluma ngawo. I think the president has realized ukuthi in the previous State of the Nation addresses bengakhulumi kakhulu to the issues faced by young people and unemployment, right? So I think ama results awaphumile manje with the unemployment things ukuthi the president and the government as a whole, they need to do better in terms of announcing lezi zinto lezi zenzeke kahle. And I'm glad ukuthi last year a lot of these concrete things President I promise we can hold him to account ukuthi uzenzile noma akazenzanga lezo zinto lezo. So ngithemba ukuthi this year uzoqhubeka with that strategy of making promises ukuthi he will solve certain things kodwa ebe specific ukuthi uzokwenza kanjani lokho. So and hopefully we'll get more of that information.
Yeah. Busi, social media sayazi ndoba it's not only abemi boMzantsi Africa, it's not only your general South African citizens. Government is also on social media. And I think nabo they do engage with people. As far as the SONA is concerned, government people basically.
So into engithandayo what you just read is into ebazipostayo.
Sure.
Ukuthi this is what progress we have made so far, the different departments, the different ministries. Bayasho ukuthi no sikuthembise lokhu, this is what has happened so far. But abantu bathi look siyabona lento enisibonisa yona kodwa thina in reality asiboni. Ubone le situation ye water crisis abaningi bacela ukuthi upresident ukuthi athi I national disaster because kunama suburbs over 3 weeks abanamanzi. Kodwa ilokusani minister yamanzi uPhemi Majodini ushilo ukuthi it's going to take time but by Sunday hopefully it will be resolved.
Alright. Nje xabaqaba ke Busi mhlawumbe abantu bayifumana njani isona bayibukela kanjani futhi ba-engage njani kwisona especially ke thina siligqiza le-SABC. Khawundinike nje ii-platforms abantu abanothi mhlawumbe babukele babone khona okanye ba-engage khona njengabemi boMzantsi Afrika.
Izoba on SABC Plus as well as i-SABC Digital News ku-YouTube naku-404 izobe idlala abantu bazokhona ukubukela khona. Yabona ku-YouTube bayakwazi ukukhomenta mayidlala mayistreamwa bayakwazi ukukhomenta basho ukuthi bathandana bathandani.
Kuhle. Mhlawumbe ngazo zibini ke kuBusi naye usibuka basuka phaka kwi-digital office apha SABC besinabisela besinika amanani kanti nengxoxo ezenzekayo phaka kwi-social media.